A backup that has never been tested for recovery is still a risk.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of TechTalk with Aegis. Today, I'm joined with Mr. Tong Seng, Senior Manager of Cloud Support at Aegis Cloud. With years of hands-on experience supporting backup, recovery, and disaster recovery operations, Sun work closely with organizations to ensure their recovery plans are ready when they are needed most. Sun, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Recovery readiness is a term that many businesses hear about, but not everyone fully understands. So let's start with the basic. Question number one. What does recovery readiness mean?
Recovery readiness means being prepared to recover your system, application, and data effectively when unexpected disruption happens. Having backup is important, but more importantly is knowing about your recovery process work, your team are prepared, and your business can resume operation within the expected timeline.
True. Having backup is one thing, but being able to recover fast when something happens is the real test. Now, which comes to question number two. Why is recovery readiness becoming so important for businesses today?
Yeah. Recovery readiness becoming very important for businesses today is because incident can still happen even though you have strong security measures. For example, accidental deletion, human error, ransomware attack, or even hardware failure can still disrupt the business operation. So recovery readiness helps businesses minimize downtime and restore operation fast when disruption occurs.
So it's not just about preventing incidents, like you said, it's also about being prepared to recover and recover fast. Which brings us to our next question. Why are DR drills and recovery testing so important?
A backup that has never been tested for recovery is still a risk. Testing helps businesses confirm whether their recovery process actually worked during the real situation. Without testing, there will still always be uncertainty during an actual incident.
Exactly. Confidence in recovery comes from testing, not assumption. Yeah. So that's why at Aegis Cloud, we always encourage customers to perform DR drills at least once a year to gain confidence in their IT disaster recovery plan. So, Sean, with that said, what are some common mistakes companies make in recovery planning?
So far, the biggest mistake that is assuming the recovery will just work. So companies focus on backup completion, but they always overlook on the recovery validation. Some also underestimate that the actual time and coordination needed during the recovery process. So recovery planning needs to be realistic, tested, and properly coordinated.
Yeah, San, exactly. Recovery planning is not just about having backups in place. It is also about making sure the entire recovery process actually works when needed. So that's why Aegis Cloud's fully managed backup and disaster recovery services focus heavily on recovery validation and DR readiness, backed by more than 17 years of experience as a cloud disaster recovery service provider in Malaysia. So now we know that recovery readiness is no longer an option. That comes to our next question. What's one advice you would give businesses about improving their recovery readiness?
Don't wait for an actual incident to happen. Before reviewing your recovery readiness, do your regular testing. Proper planning and clear recovery processes can make a huge difference during the unexpected disruption. Recovery readiness is really about reducing the uncertainty and helping the business recover with confidence.
Absolutely. At the end of the day, recovery readiness is not about technology. Yeah, it's about preparation, like you said,
Yes.
preparation, confidence, and business continuity. And if you are unsure about your current recovery readiness, feel free to reach out to Aegis Cloud for a discussion. Thank you for joining us in today's Tech Talk with Aegis. Don't forget to follow Aegis Cloud on our social media platforms for more insights and cloud disaster recovery. Below here. See you in our next episode. Bye.